welcome to Whispering Willow. We are so excited to reveal this project to you. This house has had a huge transformation. When we bought it, not only was it just old and dingy outside with the old wooden siding and then the faux stucco on these two corners where the windows were, there was also a brick like archway decorative thing in the front of the house. We were gonna do a gable in the front, but budget ultimately did not allow. There were a lot of things we had to address here. But we've got new siding and new windows throughout the whole house, and we painted it this beautiful gray color just to bring it to life and give it some landscaping. So we've got all new sidewalk up here up to the front door and this gorgeous new front door. Come on in and check it out with me. We have a small obsession with craftsman front doors. We've been doing them at a lot of our houses lately, so come on inside and check out this gorgeous property. We have dining over these floors. We had to find a way to put them in and just accent here, so it's just a nice entrance into this gorgeous, huge living room. You guys, this place is amazing. When we bought it, we had the skylights, and there was one window over here, but there's actually brick on the outside that was missing. So we decided to make it a double window just to bring that much more natural light in here. So there are no lights on this living room, and the light that comes into this house is tremendous. It makes this room feel big, open, and airy, and just a really great place for a family to come together and spend their days. We just love it in here. There's no full dining room in this house, but there is a breakfast area. Again, tons of natural light. This is the other side of one of the corners outside that I mentioned. We have to reframe everything in here. We've got new windows, and it leads right into this gorgeous, huge kitchen. So all the cabinets came out. There was a brick built-in thing housing the oven and microwave. We removed that, and so now we've got custom-built cabinets, quartz countertops, some gorgeous herringbone backsplash, and brand new stainless steel appliances. This kitchen is fabulous. There's tons of workspace, there's tons of storage, and it's just a really high-end feeling in this beautiful, beautiful house. This master bathroom has gotten a complete refresh. Again, we have new custom cabinets, and we actually added a sink, so it's a double sink here in the master. Same quartz countertops, and then this gorgeous stand-up shower. The bathroom was already gutted when we bought the place, which was convenient. And so we've got the same beautiful tile surround, and then a new shower floor, and just this gorgeous, gorgeous stand-up in here. We love this master bathroom. We are here in the bathroom at Whispering Willow, and this place got a total refresh. We've got brand new tiles around here in the shower, which is absolutely stunning. It's very light, very airy, even added a niche. And then all we had to do was glaze the tub, which was great. Sometimes we can save them, sometimes we can't. And in this case we could, and it turned out beautifully. And then we've got the same quartz countertops just like in the kitchen, new custom cabinets, new lighting, new faucets. I just love how this little second bathroom has turned out.